E-Prime is the electrified powertrain pilot line for manufacturing engineering. We're working throughout the industry within the UK to change the way we do manufacturing engineering and take ourselves forward with new electrified powertrains. The whole project was brought together by HSSMI, who look to leverage companies like ourselves, manufacturing companies in the UK, with academia, and they brought to us a new partner called Signal Noise, who are looking at the way we use data in our business and the way that we can do that differently.
Signal Noise is really excited about being part of the UK manufacturing industry, working with some really cutting-edge companies and creating something truly innovative.
E-Prime is extremely important to Ford Motor Company. We're on the start of a revolution away from conventional powertrains into these more advanced electrification powertrains. E-Prime is going to give Ford the opportunity to explore these technologies and, most importantly, the manufacturing of those technologies, and ensure that we're choosing the right pathway to put these products into production. That's really important when you're transferring potentially the whole of your business over a relatively short period of time.
E-Prime gives us a really good opportunity to explore all the digital tools and processes. Our virtual engineering team are looking at bringing together some point cloud scans of this particular building. We're looking to bring machine CAD and machine services and a 3D scan of the building so that we can plan the installation of all of that facility virtually.
Our involvement in the E-Prime consortium has given us a unique opportunity to work with product designers, manufacturing engineers, key suppliers to the industry to develop high volume manufacturing testing and manufacturing techniques that will support ourselves, our customers and the UK in general in the future.
The APC is very pleased to be working with the E-Prime consortia. Having a supply chain that is competitive and can support companies that want to bring those products to market is crucial for the long-term sustainability of the automotive industry in the UK.